Good evening, sir. We are the Group 6 and we will tackle the Chapter 7 Ekrita Drainage System. So we have 10 sections from Section 701 to Section 710. Section 701 Materials. 701.1 Ekrita drainage pipings shall be cast iron, ductile iron, galvanized steel, galvanized wrought iron, lead, copper, brass, series 1000 PVC WV, extra strength, vertified clay pipe or other approved materials having smooth and uniform bore except that 701.1 no galvanized wrought iron or galvanized steel pipe shall be used underground and shall be kept at least 152 mm above ground. Next, the ABS and PVC DWV piping installation shall be used in high buildings provided that its use shall be the discretion of the master plumber designer and also with the full consent of the owner. Next, no vertified clay pipes or fittings for building drain or sewer shall be used above ground or whenever piping is pressurized by a pump or ejector. They shall be kept at least 0.3 meter below finished ground level. Next is Section 701.2. Drainage fittings shall be of cast iron, malleable iron, lead, brass, copper, ABS, PVC, vertified clay or other approved materials having a smooth interior waterway of the same diameter as the piping served, and all such fittings shall be compatible with the type of pipe used. Next, 701.2.1 Fittings on screwed pipe joints shall be of the recessed drainage type, buried and shall be rimmed to the full bore of the pipe. 701.2.2 The threads of drainage fittings shall be tapped to allow 2% or 21 mm or meter grade. Next is the Section 702 Fixture Unit Equivalent. 702.1 The fixture unit equivalent rating of plumbing fixture shown on Table 7 to 2 shall be based on the size of the trap required and of the fixture unit equivalent of fixtures and devices not shown in Table 7.2 shall be based on the rated discharge capacity in liters per second in accordance with the Table 7.3. The maximum trap loadings for sizes up to 102 mm are as follows. So the maximum trap loading, each item number, pipe size, and fixture unit. In item number 1, the pipe size shall be 32 with fixture unit of 1. Item number 2, pipe size is 38 and fixture unit 3. Item number 3, pipe size shall be 51 and 4 fixture unit. Item number 4 shall have 76 pipe size and 6 fixture unit. For item number 5, the pipe size shall be 102 with 8 fixture unit. Section 703 The size of drainage piping. The minimum size of vertical and or horizontal drainage pipings shall be determined from the total of all fixture units connected thereto and additional in the case of vertical drainage pipes in accordance with their height or length. The Section 703.2 in Table 7.5 shows the maximum number of fixture units allowed on any vertical or horizontal drainage pipe, building drain, or building sewer of a given size, the maximum number of fixture units allowed on any branch interval of a given size, the maximum length meters of any vertical drainage pipe of a given size. In the table shown, the maximum trap diameters and drainage fixture unit values for item number 1. For bathtubs, the trap and trap arm size should be 38 mm with 2 drainage fixture unit. In bidet, we have 38 trap and arm size with 2 drainage fixture unit. For clothes washers, we have 51 mm and 2 drainage fixture unit. For dental units or cuspidors, we have 32 mm and 1 fixture units. Drinking fountains, we have 31 mm and 1 drainage fixture unit. For floor drains, we have 51 mm with 2 fixture unit. In interceptors, for grease, oil, or etc., we have 51 mm with 2 with 3 fixture unit. Next is the laundry tabs. We have 38 mm with 2 fixture unit. The interceptors for sand, auto wash, etc. 78 76 mm with 6 fixture unit. Next is the mobile home park traps. One for each trailer. We have 76 mm and 6 fixture unit. Next is for receptors, floor sinks, indirect waste receptors for refrigerators, coffee areas, and water statistics, and etc. We have 38 mm with 1 drainage fixture unit. For receptors, indirect waste receptors for commercial sinks, dishwasher, air washers, and etc. We have 51 mm with 3 fixture units. For showers, for single stall only, we have 51 mm with 2 fixture unit. And for showers, 1 unit per head, we have 51 mm with no drainage fixture unit. And for sinks and or dishwasher residential, 51 mm minutes waste, we have 38 mm with 2 drainage fixture unit. For sinks, bar, commercial, 51 mm minute waste, we have 38 mm with 2 drainage fixture unit. Next is the sink, bar, and private 38 mm minute waste. We have 38 mm with 1 fixture unit. Sinks, commercial or industrial, schools, etc., including dishwashers, wash-up sinks, and wash fountains, 50.8 mm waste. We have 38 mm with 3 drainage fixture units. For sink, flushing rim, for clinic, we have 76 mm and 6 drainage fixture unit. For sink service, we have 51 mm with 3 drainage fixture unit. For urinal, pedestrian trap arm only, we have 76 mm with 6 fixture unit. For urinal staff separate trap, we have 51 mm with 2 drainage fixture unit. For urinal wall mounted integral trap arm only, we have 51 mm with 3 fixture unit. For urinal wall mounted and blowout integral trap arm only, we have 66 mm with 6 drainage fixture unit. So for size of drainage piping, note that the size and discharge rating of each indirect waste receptor and each interceptor shall be based on the total rated discharge capacity of all fixtures, equipment, or appliances discharging thereinto in accordance with Table 7.3. Drainage piping serving batteries or appliances capable of producing continuous flows shall be adequately sized to provide for peak loads. So the clothes washers in groups of 3 or more shall be rated at 6 fixture unit each for the common horizontal and vertical waste pipe sizing. For water closets, it shall be computed as 6 fixture units when determining septic tank size based on Appendix B of this code. And for the trap size shall not be increased to a point where the fixture discharge may be inadequate to maintain their self-scarring properties. For the discharge capacity, we will express it as liters per second for intermittent flow only. So for item number 1, we have up to 0.47 liter per second with 1 unit or fixture unit. For item number 2, we have 0.50 to 0.95 liters per second with 2 fixture unit. For item number 3, we have 1 to 1.89 liters per second and 4 fixture unit. For item number 4, we have 1.95 to 3.15 liters per second with 6 units fixture unit. So the capacity over 3.15 liter per second shall be determined by the administrative authority. For a continuous flow into a drainage system such as from sump, pump, or ejector, air conditioning equipment, or similar devices, 2 fixture units shall be allowed for every 0.063 liter per second of flow. So let's proceed to section 704, the fixture connection Ecrita drainage. Section 704.1, the drainage piping shall be provided with approved inlet fittings for fixture connections correctly located according to the size and type of fixture proposed to be connected. For 704.2, two fixtures set back to back or side by side within the distance allowed between a trap and its vent may be served by a single vertical drainage pipe, provided that each fixture weighs separately into an approved double fitting, such as double sanitary T or double Y and 1/8 bend having inlet openings at the same level.
Section 708, Gravity drainage required. Where practicable, all plumbing fixtures shall be drained into the public sewer or private sewage disposal system by gravity. Next, Section 709, Drainage of fixture located below the upstream manhole or below the main sewer level. Drainage piping serving fixture which have flood level rims located below the elevation of the nearby upstream manhole inverted of the public sewer serving such drainage piping shall be protected from backflow of sewage by installing an approved type hot water valve. Fixture installed above such elevation shall not discharge through the hot water valve. Drainage piping serving fixture located below the ground level of the main sewer shall be discharged into an approved watertight sump or receiving tank. The sewage or other liquid waste shall then be lifted and discharged into the building drain or building sewer by approved ejector, pump, or other equally efficient mechanical device. The minimum size of any pump discharge or any discharge pipe from a sump having a water closet connected thereto shall not be less than 50.8 mm diameter. The vertical discharge line from such ejector, pump, or other mechanical device to horizontal drain line shall be approved with an accessible backwater or swing check valve and a gate valve closet to the connection with the horizontal line. The method of connection shall be at the top of horizontal line through a WY branch fitting. The gate valve shall be located at the discharge side of the backwater or check valve. Building drain or building sewer receiving discharge from any pump or ejector shall be adequate size to prevent overloading. Two fixture units shall be allowed for each 0.063 liter per second of a flow or each GPM flow. Backwater valves, gate valves, motors, compressors, air tank, and other mechanical device required by this section shall be located where they will be accessible for inspection and repair at all times, and when not exposed, shall be enclosed in a watertight masonry pit fitted with an adequate size removable cover. The drainage and a venting system in connection with the fixture, sump, receiving tanks, and a mechanical waste lifted device shall be installed under the same requirements as provided in this code for gravity system. Sump and receiving tanks shall be watertight and shall be constructed of the concrete, metal, or other approved materials. If the constructed of pure concrete, the walls and the bottom shall be adequate, reinforced, and designed according to the recognized acceptable standards. Metal sump or tank shall be such a thickness to serve their intended purpose and shall be properly coated internally and externally to resist corrosion. All such sump and receiving tank shall be automatically discharged, and when rated as public use, occupancy shall be provided with a dual pump or ejectors arranged to the function independently in the case of overload or mechanical failure. The invert of the lowest inlet to the tank shall have a minimum distance of 51 mm above the high water or starting level of the pumping operation. Sump and receiving tank shall be provided with substantial covers having a bolt and gasket type manhole or equivalent opening to permit access for inspections, repairs, and cleaning. The top shall be provided with a vent pipe which shall extend separately through the roof or when permitted, may be combined with other vent pipes. Such vents shall be large enough to maintain atmospheric pressure with the sump under all normal operating conditions, and in no case shall be less in size than the required by table 1 to 5 for the number and the type of fixture discharged into the sump, nor less than 51 mm in diameter. Air tank shall be proportioned to be of equal cubical capacity to the ejector connected therewith where there shall be maintained an air pressure of not less than 3 kg for each meter of height the sewage is raised. No water operated ejector shall be permitted. When subsoil drainage system is installed, it shall be initially discharged into an approved receiving tank and discharged in a manner satisfactory to the administrative authority. Section 708. Such relief. Fixture outlets shall not be connected to the horizontal excrete drainage piping system within 2.4 meter or any vertical to horizontal change of direction of a stock containing such producing fixtures. Bathtubs, laundries, washing machines, standpipe, kitchen sink, and dishwashers shall be considered such producing fixture. Exception: single-family residents, stock receiving the drainage from the less than 3 stories of plumbing fixtures. Such relief table. This is the sample of the such relief table. First, including trap arm. Second, except sinks, urinal, and dishwashers. Third, except 6 fixture unit traps or water closets. Fourth, only 4 water closets or 6 fixture unit traps are allowed on any vertical pipe or stack and not exceed 3 water closets or 6 fixture unit traps on any horizontal branch or drain. Fifth, based on 2% or 20.9 mm per meter slope. For 1% or 10.4 mm per meter slope, multiply horizontal fixture units by a factor of 0.8. Note, the diameter of individual bench shall not be less than 32 mm nor less in a size than one-half the diameter of the drain to which it is connected. Fixture unit load values or drainage and vent piping shall be computed from tables 7-2 and 7-3, not to exceed 1/3 of the total permitted length of any vent may be installed in horizontal position when vents are increased one pipe size for their entire length. The maximum length limitation specified in this table do not apply.